Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and now tap on the settings icon, so the gear icon. Then let's tap on Add Keyboard, make sure that you're on the languages here. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So you can either scroll and find your language, or you can tap on Search Language, and if you can enter the name of the language which you'd like to apply. After finding, just tap on it and now you can choose the keyboard layout. So just mark the option which you'd like to use. The number of keyboard layouts depends on the specific language. In my case, I've got 2, but sometimes you will have, for example, 7 different layouts. So just tap on Done, and as you can see, our language has been immediately applied. And before I'll show you how to remove it, remove the language from this list, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So let me go back to the keyboard itself. And as you can see here, we've got the hint. We've got something called globe icon or language key, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout. So now we've got English, and after tapping on it, we can switch to another one. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now, we've got the name of the language we're currently using. If you wish, you can remove the language also just by entering the settings again. And here in this section, tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now mark the language which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. And here we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.